Alright, this is the long walkthrough. This one's a 2020 Sunseeker by Forest River. Model number is 3040. It's 32 feet long and 3 inches, 32 feet and 3 inches long. But if you've been looking at newer motorhomes, you've come across a lot that have been rentals. People buy rentals all the time and then just sell them off in a year or two. There's a lot of repos. This is not one of those. This one is a clean, one owner. I know the previous owners, it's an older couple. They didn't use them much. They only put 20,000 miles on it. The husband died and the wife is selling it. And it's been inside its whole life, under roof in a garage. It's been very well maintained. This is not your average motorhome that you're seeing on the market. It's got a TV on the outside, lots of storage. It's got a hitch on the back. Let's see, this has it's gonna tell us 7,500 pound hitch on the back. Backup camera. Apologize, it's a little dirty. I don't have water here to clean it up. But going inside, this is a great floor plan. Let's look at this first. This is one of the few Class C RVs with automatic leveling. It's got solar and an inverter. It's got a nice power awning that goes in and out. It's going out right now, but it all works. There's a generator. It's got electric and gas water heater. And it's got two slides. It's got this big slide up here and then one in the back bedroom. Let's see, this folds up somehow to give you extra charging space. It's got a little phone charger right here. And then this is cool, it's got a garbage can. And you actually pull the garbage can out the outside. So you just toss all your stuff in here and the garbage doesn't even have to stay in the kitchen. Convection microwave down here. And then a good sized 12-volt fridge. This is kind of cool too. It's got a pantry. Pulls out here. Up front you have theater seating. Well, it's a couch with an armrest, but that armrest goes up out of the way. And then you got a full U-shaped table over here. Cup holders everywhere. Back there. Big bed up top here. These are usually the biggest beds because they span the whole length of the 8-foot RV. But more cup holders. The TV's up here and it folds out so you can watch it. But it's got the backup camera, and I believe that has GPS too, but it's both Apple CarPlay and Android Audio. 20,777 miles on it, I believe. Right at 20,000. DVD player. Heading on back here though, this is a nice space. Nice open. The toilet and shower is on one side, the sink's over here on the other. Nice fixtures. There's me. I don't come with the RV though, so. And then toilet and a nice big shower. I'm 6'2", I can stand up in that shower easy. And then you got more sensors there. I think that's for the heat. your slide controls, and then there's another TV back here. Nice bed. When this slide comes in, this mattress folds in half, and then the slide comes in. But this is cool. It's got an actual closet in here with bars on both sides. It does not have washer dryer hookup. I get asked that a lot. Class C RVs rarely have that. It's got the Ford V10 gas motor for lots of power, skylights. So as you can see, this is a very nice RV, and again, very well maintained, one owner, inside its whole life. It's not the normal RV that you're seeing on the market right now. But let me know if you have any questions.